In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on NordFX. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to nordfx.com and then you want to open an account by clicking this button or this button up here. Now, after you do this, you have to select if you want to actually open a trading account or a demo account. So this is completely up to you. So of course, you have to put in all your information over here, and then you can open either a trading or a demo account. After you do this, you'll receive your login credentials to your email, and over here, you can always select what account type you would like. So you can have a MT5, so MetaTrader 5, or MT4, MetaTrader 4. You cannot trade directly on here on NordFX, so you'll have to use a MetaTrader either 4 or 5 to actually be able to trade. Now, once you get your credentials over here, you can see you can download it. This is the link you're going to get inside your email, nordfx.com/platforms. And then you'll be able to download either MetaTrader 4 or 5. And then once you do that, I have the 5 over here. You want to go to File, top left, click on Open an Account over here. And then you want to look for NordFX like this, press enter, and there we go, there it is. You simply want to click on it and click on next. And here it says you can either open a demo or this over here, so ignore that and click on connect to an existing trade account. So inside your email, you'll have the credentials to actually sign in here. So the login is usually a number, so it's going to be basically a number, which it looks something like this over here, as you can see. And then the password should be like this over here inside the email. You're gonna see it, and you have to just paste it in here. Now in here, the trading server is going to be, currently there's only one, so the NordFX Real. Click on that, click on finish. And after that, as you can see, you can hear a few things, and there we go. You are now connected inside your NordFX account. So either a demo or a real account, and then you can go ahead and just start trading over here inside your MetaTrader 5 or 4. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.